Welcome to our geometry series. Today we are looking at a distinctive quadrilateral known as the kite. While you might know it as a flying toy, in geometry, it has very specific and interesting properties. So, what exactly is a kite? It is a quadrilateral, meaning a four-sided shape, that has two distinct pairs of equal length sides. The key here is that these equal sides are adjacent or next to each other. This is different from a rectangle or parallelogram where the equal sides are opposite each other. Let's break down the parts. The corners where the equal sides meet are called vertex angles. The other two corners, where unequal sides meet, are called non-vertex angles. This distinction is important because the properties differ between them. One of the most useful properties of a kite involves its diagonals. If you draw lines connecting opposite corners, you will find that they intersect at exactly 90 degrees. They are perpendicular to each other. The kite has a single axis of symmetry. The main diagonal, which connects the vertex angles, cuts the shape perfectly in half. It acts as a perpendicular bisector to the other diagonal, creating two mirror image triangles. When looking at the angles, we find that the non-vertex angles are always equal to each other. However, the vertex angles are usually different from each other. The main diagonal does something else special. It bisects the vertex angles. This means it splits the angle at the top and the angle at the bottom into two exactly equal parts. To find the distance around a kite, or its perimeter, we just need to add up all the sides. Since the sides come in pairs, the formula is simply 2 times the sum of the short side plus the long side. Finding the area is quite elegant. You simply multiply the lengths of the two diagonals together and then divide by 2. It is often written as 1/2 times d1 times d2. To wrap up, remember that a kite is defined by its two pairs of adjacent congruent sides. It has perpendicular diagonals, one pair of equal opposite angles, and one axis of symmetry. These unique properties make it a fascinating shape to study in geometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.